So you need to make a change to your business phone service, but you're concerned about costs, downtime, and how it can impact your staff and clients? With over 40 years of experience, the team at USA Phone knows how to do onboarding right the first time. Each client receives a complimentary internet and phone bill analysis. Our easy 3-step onboarding process consists of the following. Number 1, site survey. The onboarding process starts with a physical site survey that ensures a timely and smooth installation. Number 2, dedicated account specialist. You will be assigned to customize and configure our services to meet your specific needs. Number 3, installation and training. Our certified technicians will perform the on-site installation along with hands-on training for your entire staff. All this is accomplished with no service downtime while keeping your essential phone numbers and extensions. We make change easy. Call USA Phone today for your free account review.